everybody, my name is Raphael, aka NanoBlaze407, and this is Mixing with Logic. Alright, so today I just wanted to show you guys something real quick. It's with auto-tune. I know some people are having latency problems. Whenever you enable the auto-tune, your voice is so delayed that you can't even record. So a quick fix for that is come in here, you go into your auto-tune, pull it up here, and then you see this corner right here that has the wheel. That's going to be your settings or preferences, and go down to right here where it says use low latency. That should fix it. If that doesn't fix it for any reason, then you may want to disable all of your plugins that you have on your vocal chain. Disable them until you're done recording, and then enable them again. It's this wheel right here. That's going to disable all of the plugins while you have your track actively recording. You press inspect, that'll link that, and then it'll disable all plugins that are causing a delay. If you don't have that on there, then you want to right click your toolbar, click customize control and display, and then it's going to be right here, low latency monitoring mode. You want to check that, and then that button should appear and give you access. Alright, thank you very much. If you liked what I had to say, and if whatever I did here helped you at all, please do me a favor and watch the next video. I go into more details. I'm going to be making a lot more videos. And then, of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
I got so much smoke on my lungs and I can barely breathe. Let go of my tongue if you were better than me. With my hand on my guns, protect my peace. Lord blessing me while you stressing me. Smoke on my lungs and I can barely breathe. Let go of my tongue if you were better than me. With my hand on my guns, protect my peace. Lord blessing me while you stressing me. I live life on my own, not a mirror time.